Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in order to begin, we will need to first go to the settings and make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. So let's go to connections, then Wi-Fi, and you can see I am connected. That is really good. Without that, you won't be able to continue, so make sure you are connected to a network. Then go to About Phone and go to Software Information and click on build number 7 times. After that, it may ask you for your screen lock if you have one. And now go to Developer Options. Then you should see OEM Unlocking, and it'll be disabled if you see it for the first time. So enable it. If you don't see OEM Unlocking, it means you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Now I should go back and I will be able to begin, but first let's make sure that we don't have Google account signed in, because it's just gonna make the process more difficult. So let's go to Accounts and Backup, Manage Accounts, and you can see I don't have any Google account, but if you do, click on it and then click on Remove. Now we can shut our phone down. Let's click on Power Off and let's power off the phone. Now remember that it will erase all your data. So if you haven't back it up and then begin the process. You will need a cable that's currently plugged into your computer, not yet to the phone, and we'll start by pressing and holding on on volume up and volume down, and while doing so, plug in the USB-C cable. You'll see this blue screen. Press and hold on volume up. Then it asks you whether you want to unlock the bootloader. If you do, click on volume up. Now it'll start erasing your device, so let's wait for a moment. You can see it says that the phone's bootloader is unlocked. Let's click on the power button to confirm. Whenever that alert shows up, you can just click on power button to confirm it. It's gonna show up every time you turn on the phone, but you can also wait 30 seconds and it'll automatically go through the alert itself. So as you can see, now the phone is restarting. It may take 3 minutes, so be patient and I'm gonna get back to you. You can see the phone's reset. I'm gonna set it up real quick just to verify whether the bootloader is unlocked. Most likely we're unlocking it to flash a custom ROM or custom recovery, so you may not really want to set it up, but it's worth doing it because you just know if something goes wrong. You just know what if it didn't unlock properly. I'm skipping Wi-Fi on purpose because it makes the setup process way quicker. You can see I'm already through the stuff mostly. So I think that's just quicker if you skip the Wi-Fi and connect to it later on. So that's what I'm planning on doing. Let's go to connections, Wi-Fi, connect to some Wi-Fi, of course. Yeah, probably it went in wrong. Let's click on connect. Okay, go back. Go to About Phone, Software Information, build number 7 times, go back twice, and go to Developer Options. By the way, there are different videos on the channel on how to flash a custom ROM, how to install a custom recovery. You can watch that if you'd like. And now you can see OEM Unlocking is enabled and grayed out, which means everything went properly. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.